Hi folks, and welcome back. Bit of a bargain for you today. I've now got a discount code for this. The Aoocci C6 Series Pro CarPlay unit. It's CarPlay, stroke, sat nav. So if you want a discount of 22% on this, all you have to do is click on the link below that's in the title and use the coupon code of LWR22. That's LWR22, and you'll get yourself a discount of 22% off this unit, which is absolutely fantastic. You're going to probably save yourself over £30 if you do that. Now, I do have to point out that I do get a slight kickback if you do, but it doesn't affect what you're paying. It doesn't come off you, it comes straight off Aoocci itself. So the Aoocci unit, now as you know, when I was looking, having sold the CF and I bought the Suzuki, I was looking for some CarPlay unit. Now I did quite a bit of research because you know I'm a bit of a gadget geek. And I checked them all out. I spent hours browsing the internet, looking at stuff, watching reports, watching this, that and the other. And in the end, I decided that the Aoocci C6 Pro was the one for me. Now, basically, it was very competitively priced, and with the 22% discount that it can now give you if you use it, it's even better priced. I mean, you're talking a good 30 plus pounds off, which really puts it as an extra good value piece of kit. Now I did check all the models out, and I mean with this you get a 6.25 inch touchscreen display, which I have to say is excellent. It's really bright, not pixelated, works great in the light or the dark. I've used it day and night and found it to be quite good. And it's quite responsive, the touchscreen is. There's not a lag on it as such, and it does work with your gloves. Obviously you've got your wireless CarPlay and Android Auto that comes on it, so it mimics your phone, and anybody who knows or is using CarPlay knows how good that is to have on your bike. I find it exceptional. You know, the fact that you can use Google Maps, Waze, Scenic, My Route app, all them, I find it fantastic. You know, it gives you so much flexibility as to what you want to do and how you want to do it. You've got also, as a bonus with each one, the C6 Pro, you actually get two cameras, front and rear camera. Now they're dual 1080p cameras, front and rear, as I say. Now they're not plastic, they're actually aluminium. The shroud is plastic, the mounting bracket, but it's quite substantial. I'll put a link up the list there now of the installation that I did on mine and my thoughts on it when I fitted it to the Suzuki. But I must be honest, I found it a really useful piece of kit. You've got the added bonus of tyre pressure monitoring by just screwing taking your dust caps off and screwing these two things on, and then they pair up on Bluetooth. You even get a 64GB card with the unit, and that's worth a couple of quid as well, to be honest. So when you buy it in the box as this, you get everything, bracketry, everything you need to put this on your bike from day one. So you've got the emergency recording off the camera system, and also you've got a remote control that you can fit on your handlebars or whatever. I actually fashioned a different bracket for mine to put it in a slightly different place, so as you can see what's going on with your cameras front and rear while you're on the bike or when you're stationary or whatever, and you've got instant review and playback of your cameras of what you've just took. And it's IP67 waterproof, and the main thing is it's really user friendly. Installation wise, it's a doddle. Once you've sorted out where you're going to mount it, you've got all the bracketry to do it with. The wiring in the back is sealed, so there's no chance of any water getting to it. hence it's IP67 waterproof. You've got 3 leads, 4 leads actually. You've got 1 to each camera, 1 to the remote, and then the power lead, which is basically a ground or negative, shall I say, and a switch positive, and that's it. It works seamlessly. I mean, I use it with my car now, Pac Talk, and I get great music quality and everything. And I mean, there's nothing special with my Pac Talks, any Pac Talk Edge. There's got no special earpieces or anything like that, and it comes through really good. So all in all, it's a really good piece of kit. That's the Aoocci C6 Pro series. As I say, I searched high and low for one of these, and I found this to be by far and away the best value on the market. And I would do, wouldn't I, because of being a pensioner, I have to watch all the pennies that this old lone wolf spends these days. And this come out top of the list. So remember, if you want to get yourself one of these, click on the link below, enter my code LWR22, and you'll get yourself 22% off, which is a good saving of over £30. Right, so Slow Wolf saying bye for now. Don't forget, tick like and subscribe, and remember, just you be careful out there. Slow Wolf, bye for now.